Samsung's new phone has its strengths and weakness. After months of previews and rumors, the Galaxy S25 Edge is a reality. And with Galaxy S25 Edge pre-orders now underway, you have got a decision to make. Should this ultra-thin device be your next smartphone, or should you turn your attention to a different device? However, some pros and cons for Samsung's latest device are readily apparent, now that we've been up close and personal with the Galaxy S25 Edge. With this preliminary list of reasons to buy and skip the Galaxy S25 Edge, we can help you make an early call on whether this $1099 phone is the right one for you. The Galaxy S25 Edge is remarkably slender. It's just shy of 2.5mm thinner than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And while that may sound insignificant, comparing the thinness of various devices, the only one that comes close to the Galaxy S25 Edge is the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and that's when the foldable phone is open and at its thinnest. The Galaxy S25 Edge is just as lightweight at 5.75 ounces. It essentially weighs the same as a standard Galaxy S25, even though the screen on the Edge is much larger. The concern with something as thin as the Galaxy S25 Edge would be that the phone snaps in two at the first sign of pressure. Certainly, the titanium frame and Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 display covering help out, and that latter material should guard against scratches and other damage. There are just two widely available Samsung phones with 200MP main cameras, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and now this device. It's more than just hardware that will help with camera performance. The S25 Edge will rely on the same Pro Visual engine found on other Samsung flagships to superior photo processing. Other camera capabilities like night photography for low-light photos and video recording for capturing video with a wide dynamic range, which will be tested the camera performance soon. The Galaxy S25 Edge may be slender, but it doesn't sacrifice size in the display department. The new phone features a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. In other words, you're getting the same panel found on the Galaxy S25 Plus. The Galaxy S25 Ultra turned in a more impressive 1860 nit reading. You can guess which model we're hoping the Galaxy S25 Edge takes after. Has taken to including more internal storage with its premium phones. For example, both the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra feature 256GB in their base model. The Galaxy S25 Edge follows that tradition, and it helps to take the sting out of that 4-digit price tag. Samsung is all about AI features on its phones these days, so it's no surprise that the Galaxy S25 Edge has full support for the same capabilities introduced earlier this year with the Galaxy S25 series. Still, it's good to know that if you're picking up a Galaxy S25 Edge, you're getting Samsung's full Galaxy AI experience. You'll also have the ability to use the Gemini Assistant to perform tasks across multiple apps, like looking up information about a restaurant and blocking out a reservation on your calendar. Just like AI features are no surprise on a high-end Samsung phone. At this point, there's nothing unexpected about the level of support Samsung pledges to this phone. Like the rest of the Galaxy S25 family, the Edge is getting 7 full years of software and security support. That means Android updates and new AI capabilities well into the next decade, should you hold on to your Edge for that long. When you are planning to buy this thin with a phone, sacrifices need to be made. And in the Galaxy S25 Edge's case, it's the telephoto lens that winds up on the chopping block. That makes the Edge unique among Galaxy S models. Even the lower-cost Galaxy S24 FE has a zoom lens. The Galaxy S25 Edge is capped at a 10x zoom, which is a far cry from what phones with dedicated telephoto cameras can pull off. There's another limitation. Zoom lenses are very useful when it comes to photographing the night sky or capturing the snapshots of stars. Well, don't know how long the Galaxy S25 Edge lasts on a charge until the device is in hand for a test, but it is clearly the space limitations inside the phone have limited Samsung to a 3900 mAh battery. But the Galaxy S25 Edge will have a steep hill to climb even with the superlative power management features of the Snapdragon 8 Elite that serves as the phone's system on chip. Battery size isn't everything when it comes to longevity, so there's a chance the Galaxy S25 Edge surprises us with how long it can last. As noted above, the Galaxy S25 Edge starts at $1099, and that's an awful lot to pay for any phone, no matter how thin Samsung has made it. The thing about premium phones is that they generally have premium features to match. Take the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which may cost $1,299, but also comes with a powerful zoom lens and a giant battery, and these two features missing from the S25 Edge.